Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank The Secret and Rhonda Brand for changing the way I see the world. A few years ago, my cousin was reading a book called The Secret, and I had no idea what it was all about. I'm not the kind of a person who reads books, and my cousin usually read a lot of fiction stuff. So I thought that this would be one of those kinds of books. So I chose to ignore it. After a few years, when I was 16 years old and had gotten my first internship at a radio station, my boss was talking to the radio jockey about how the secret had changed her life. My boss was always such an inspiration to me, and in my head, I thought that if it changed her life, it can change mine as well. So that very day, I went to the bookstore and bought my copy of The Secret. After 2 days of continuous reading and watching the Secret movie over and over again, I realized that anything was possible. That day I made my vision board with the things I wanted, like buying my own DSLR, enrolling in the gym, going on a vacation, new phones, and whatnot. And believe me, I got all of those things. I did not belong to a rich family where I could afford everything I wanted, and my parents always used to say we cannot afford this or that. I showed them the movie and they changed their thoughts and action too. Meanwhile, I had always dreamed of meeting the perfect guy, but I never knew how I was going to get him. I had a serious heartbreak before, and I had lost hope for love, but I still always wanted someone who loved me a lot. Then, less than 2 months later, my sister asked me if I would like to go on a weekend trip with her and her husband friends. I instantly agreed, and then I realized that I had already committed to some work and would have to cancel. I was really sad, and that's when I came back to this site to read a few stories to inspire me. I started applying The Secret and imagined that I was at a beautiful villa and having fun. Well, just 2 days before the trip, I get a call from my client who told me that the work has been postponed to another date. I jumped with excitement and joy. But that's not all. The universe had a plan. On that trip, I met my brother in law's friend. We had met on various occasions through the years, but we had never really interacted. When I was returning from the trip, I had a thought that this was the kind of guy I would want to date. And guess what? The universe said, your wish is my command. I was granted my wish, and 5 days after returning from the trip, the boy asked me out. Now, every time I ask him to do something for me, he replies with, your wish is my command. Everyone who is reading this story, trust me, every single instance in this story is true, and it all happened only because of The Secret. I have attracted a lot of things and people in the last few years because I learned how to apply The Secret. I attracted my dream job, my dream man, my phones, my cameras, my dream computer, and everything else I have asked for. Believe in what you want because there is no limit. The universe is always responding to you. Give love and give thanks for every single thing. Thank you, thank you, thank you.